right, play the game.
Welcome back to another underwater segment with Spearfishing Brothers. I hope that you all are doing fine on this wonderful Sunday. Yes guys, you hear me at all? My belly full, you know, man. Yeah man, I just don't eat some lobster pasta, you know. Nice, you see? So guys, just stay tuned to the end of the video and just watch our way we deal with the pasta, alright? Yes, so right here I was showing you guys a flounders. You see that, guys? He hide himself underneath the sand. I'm going to show you again when he hide. Yes guys, so I'm slow down the footage a little for you guys so you can see everything. You see that? Yeah man, you see he just rake up the sand, guys, and went inside the sand and hid from Marcus. Alright, let's get into the hunting now, guys, and please remember to leave a like on the video and also subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah man, so right here Marcus speared a lobster underneath this rock and his spear got stuck a little, so he surfaced and made another dive to retrieve it. Normally we don't see so many lobsters in this area, but as of recent we are seeing quite a few lobsters underneath this rock and some other rocks in the area. This one was a nice one though. Yeah man, a good size one. You see him, the guys? Yes, so Marcus just pull him out there and head back for surface. He went up underneath the hole with the shooting line, but he come down when Marcus made the second dive. Let's get into the Barracuda hunting now. This was a solo dive today as well, Marcus alone. So right here he saw his first two Barracuda. You don't know, you know, guys. I choose the big one. They were so tame. You just take a gentle dive on it. Yeah man, and presented a good shot. You see how he fat, guys? Yeah man, he fat and thick like mud. Yes, so Marcus gave it a lovely shot. A good holding shot. No matter how this fish fight, it couldn't escape. As mentioned earlier, he was here alone, so he had to give them a good shot. It was pulling him a little there, so what he did was to just hold tension on it so that it gets tired before he pulls it up. Today wasn't really a good fishing day. It wasn't sunny out, it was rainy, so Marcus didn't spend any time in the water. Yeah man, he had to leave because the rain came in and a lot of thunder and lightning started to strike. So it's a good thing he got this one from early on. As you can see here, it's fighting and fighting. Marcus is a very strong young man, so Marcus can manage the fight. Right there it got tired, so Marcus just pulled it up. As you can see, the shot was dead center. Yeah man, so he couldn't escape. Good holding shot. The shot barely missed his spine. So right here, the school of Butterjack sum up on Marcus. He was thinking there to take one, but because he was here alone, he didn't want to fire his gun, and then a Barracuda came, so he didn't get any from that school. And as mentioned in other videos, this rock here, the Barracudas tend to come and hang out. Yeah man, so right here Marcus was approaching his second Barracuda. This one wasn't a huge one, but it was still of good size. And guess what happened, guys? This Barracuda we cook for Sunday, you know. Yeah man, this Barracuda mommy eat for dinner today. Yeah man, this one was acting all bad as well. You see that? Yeah man, let's take a look at it again. You see that anytime they act bad, guys, you're sure to get a chance with them. You have to just aim good and ensure that you don't miss. You see, because I'm going like him bad, guys, Marcus say, alright boy, watch me here. Mash you up, you see that, guys? All him do a spin like big, you know, man. Yeah man, you can't bother pan spearfishing brothers. We broke you up. Yeah, so this was the last barracuda for this morning. He had to cut the dive short because of the lightning and thunder. Yeah man, so join him back and land now guys.
Yes guys, welcome. So I go on guys. We get two this morning, me alone there this morning. But when I rode me out of the water cause now early people. Now about 7, no 12 minutes past 7. Place the time early same way. But you see what I go on? Rain. And look at thunder and them something guys, so you know when I stay in that. I'll scale them up now so you don't know me I can put up the camera. Yes guys, so welcome guys. Yes guys. That's what I'm going on my people. I love one in the morning. But two of them come up. No, two of them come up one time. 3 bars. This one, I'm not sure if I come up with this one and then that circle I'll back with this one. I'm not sure. But the first bar, guys, that's wild. That's wild. You see me seeing way over so you know, I'm run him down, you know. Run him down, you know, run him down, run him down, run him down. Run him down, he stop on a guard because I'm seeing mid-water. When he stop on a guard ground, I say yes, no. Alright. I'll get a shot off of him now. By the time to reach over him, I say me I take a look of. Say me I take a look of minute or a couple seconds for breath off before me dive. Oh, look guys, that good again. That good. That good. Me see that just shut or shoot off so new. I mean I run him down dive off of him and can't catch him. I say boy the man there looks like the man there I not get none because the weather come on. All them something there. And I say aye. I say no I go on the man in there you know. That the man there on slow morning. When I look, so roll it pin a clump enough guys. We need about the next 30 minutes or 40 minutes after. We did there easy and I look. When I look, I see roll it pin a clump. I say, this is a must barra. When I look, I see one set of rolling pin pass already. I don't see the barra. I check, I look in front of them, I want to barra the pass in front of them. And I never see. So I look now, I swim over there. Now I look now, I see what next the rolling pin come here. But mostly with them one. Same like a one big building but just some smoke before something. Like some of the rolling pin stop with the barra and some of them the smoke just few seconds before here's them. When I look, see two of them are come up to see them and say, don't make my choice already, you know. There wasn't a debate at Ocean me I got shoot. It wasn't a debate. Don't make big plan on plan. Don't make Ocean me I got shoot. You see how easy he come up guys. Why I should knock him out still you know. I should knock him out guys. I should knock him out. But that's how you go. Then me not know. But I'll carry that one that come and land control though. I'm going to reach back when I float. I look for some more rolling pin again. When I look, I don't see no barra this time. I rolling pin and turn back go down the sea. I don't see no barra this time. When I say that myself say. I wonder if at this small barra where come up with that one. Come up with that one the rolling pin them the round see me and the small barra like a circle of the feet. Same time now, I just do the easy, then I look. I look across and white. You know, see something just flash across, see white. That's how I do some barra that. I assume I go down there, you know, it's dangerous in the guy, so that you should have to close the eye. We'll land there, guys. See you next one. gonna get good enough. I'll be shoot him come out. Yes guys, so I'm look. I say, whatever I see him look over. I mean I swim go down and I don't see nothing. So I say, I'm look again, I come back and I easy when I float. I'm look, see something flash grass and white and I say, oh, must have barred. I swim go down there. Like I see my swim cross the white go so. So I swim go down and I swim go down there so. I mean I look so. I mean I look at me, nah, see nothing. Nah, see nothing, so I'm playing God. But look down so now, you see man just taking time, camouflage off and I go on. And I go. Taking time and camouflage off and I go. You see him bad? Bad man. These, you see the size barrier? These are the barrier I'm fear. Then look over there. Me rather see the biggest of barrier. Shoot. Instead of look over here. They look over here, fear them. I don't know if you want to see it, if you want to see how I take it down. Let me take it down for him guys. I go down for him slow. When I say slow, I mean I go down for him slow. The line when he pass me, I go down and just easy I go. Easy I glide I go down because I say I just want to give him a good shot. I did give him a good shot. And knock more and knock him out. I'm going to get a leg, you know. But if I broke his spine and knock him out, you know. After I see him, I smoke, I say, wait, I don't knock him out. But, so you go, guys. Guys, whether look like that clear up, you know, I don't know. If I not hear a thunder by the time I'm done them here, I'll be able to take a peek back in the water and see what I go on. Whether pass on. At least the place still cloudy, you know, but the darkness gone. Water clear up back now. And now we're burning just a smoke. So I'm going to sit. I'm maybe take a next 30 minutes in the water. Yeah man. I'm maybe going to take for the next 30 minutes in the water. Probably not hear the thunder and the lightning. Probably not see the thunder and the lightning. I'm maybe take the next 30 minutes. And maybe just call it a day. I'm done with them on me. This side. Alright guys, so you don't know me, I do you got in now. I do you got in now guys, so you know that me do that half cam.
Yes guys, so right here I'm showcasing the lobster catch. This was today catch, yeah man, today Sunday, and the Barracuda catch was from yesterday. So right here we have some lovely lobsters. Yeah man, we decide to cook lobster pasta for our Sunday dinner and also use some of them for fishing as well. So we are gonna make a fishing video for you guys. Yeah man, a night fishing we are try to catch snappers and everything there. So right here we have two different type of lobsters. I want to tell me what type these are. Yeah, you see that one there, and these ones are different. So jump in at the comment section and tell me what is the name for these different type of lobsters. If you don't know, just ask and I'll tell you. Alright, so me clean up the lobster them guys, take out the flesh from the head. The man we are going to use the head there if we do fishing in with, and this is the meat where we are going to use the pasta. Alright, so and these are what we are using to fish. So join me in the kitchen now guys. Yes guys, so we're in the kitchen now. We don't know chef today. We know so we don't normally use to Marcus as chef, you know, but I'm here to check out everything today guys. Yes, so we don't know by the title how we are cooked today again already. I'm sure you see that. I lobster this guys, so we are looking for some lobster pasta. Yeah man, me go ahead and take out the lobster meat out of the shell already, because me I say normally when we do it, we would like boil the lobster and then after take out the meat, but I say I try something different today. So basically take out the meat already. Yeah man, so I will slice up the meat even at some smaller slices now. Yes guys, so I'm gonna whole heap of lobster meat. Yeah man, Marcus say you want me chef up it today because I like when I look about lobster.
Yeah, I say I do it and they do it good, so let me see what we want to do today. Yeah. But the first time I try lobster pasta.
Yeah,
I was curried.
Yeah man, so I just say, you know, so I just feel like we eat some lobster pasta for dinner today. I'm tired of rice, I know, you know, guys. Rice. Can't manage that no more. Yeah, man, so we are cut them up. So, what me gonna do, guys? I finish cut them up, then I show you what I go on. So, just stay tuned. See pasta here we are use, guys. Well, I 2 different pasta and I hope when we boil them, one not softer than one, but the 2 of them, you like them come from the same family, yeah? But only thing, that one have some colored one in it. Let me take them out for you. See that, guys? That one have colored. And that one here, plain. Yeah, so we have to mix them up. You don't know, pasta. Yeah, man, so we are going to finish cut up them and then I show you what I go on again, alright? Look at that, guys. Look at meat. Lobster meat. Guys, so finish cut you up now. See there? Well nice. So and them the main season what I deal with today. And them here, guys. Then said this one name season to a bone, but boy I not work with bone today, you know, guys. So I don't know what that go. I hope you can season to the flesh too. But we have a swag one, so then call on a season to the bone. Yeah, man, and we have something there. So where say this name again, Marcus?
Jerk season.
Alright, so jerk season and chicken we are jerk still, but you don't know we are use look like this pan it same way. Yeah, man, so them here, my 2 main season where I work with. For now, as we go along, I have use some other seasoning, so I'm just stay tuned. Now watch how I go on, guys. Put little seasoning, no, put it in another pan and put little seasoning pan it. I have use the board cut up the vegetables and something. Yeah. So, I actually should have put on the pasta already, but I don't put it on as yet. I season up this little, and then after me put it in the fridge, little, make it go and soak, marinate. You see it, while I deal with the pasta. And then after I show you where I go on it again. Alright, guys, so just stay tuned. I'll watch you all go on. Yeah, man, I match up something for dinner and idea, you know, guys. I don't know if I saw you guys do it, but that's how we are dealing with it today. Everybody have their own way of doing things. Yeah, man. And this is just few way how we have to deal with it. You don't know at the end one result. Everybody method different, but at the end of the day, one result. Alright, so see there. Thing will see is over shake you up now. Why look at that guys in here. Nah, do not go on there, so man. Now go on so in spin up, you have to need you like flour, guys. You need to stick on to each other. You will need you like flour. Don't say me I use too much seasoning now, guys. And not too much seasoning. Might look that way. But yeah. Put look more up on this. Don't know we can lift out the Maggi. All purpose. Alright. See it there, guys? Alright. I put that on the fridge little, we go and marinate, deal with the pasta and the rest of something, so just stay tuned. Yes, guys, see pasta here, get it on the fire. Look at that, guys, you see that? It look pretty already and then I have to start cook it. Would you look at that? Yeah, man, I put him on now, so just stay tuned. Yes, guys, see it there? Pasta boil. You know, so the pot is kind of little bit too small, but still I make it work though, guys. Yeah, man. See me boil 2 shell them. The way I think me I do that, guys. If you don't know what me I do with that, leave a comment before you watch the entire video and tell me what me I do with it, guys. Yeah, man. See the pasta them I boil. Basically cut up few stuff what me I put on it. Some of them they cut up already, so you know. That's why I'm not recording when I cut up the rest of some of them. And I know it might look small, and the reason for that is because Marcus they really like the whole heap of vegetable something in the pasta, so that is why. So yeah. So guys, how are that? You don't know, you know, guys. Yeah, man, that a barracuda well cooked down already, you know, guys. Yeah, man. See it there? Right. So just stay tuned. I deal with the lobster them now. Yes, guys, so I deal with the lobster now. Butter we use. This is not the ideal butter, still now we like use the stick butter, but this we have today, so this may have use. Alright, so I put a little butter in it. And little garlic in the butter. You don't know, we not too like garlic still, you know, but garlic good for you, then say it's a good antibiotic. See, joke, yeah, guys. It's a good antibiotic. Yeah, man. So, don't know. I will put the garlic in there as well. We actually cut them up fine because we don't like it. So, we want if we cook out tonight, right? We don't want we eat, we taste no a bite, no garlic or anything. So, I cut you up fine, guys. So, you cook out. Yeah, man. So, I melt out the butter. Yeah. And then I put in the garlic. Guys, when I say antibiotic, you know, I joke already now, I don't feel like I do. Our video I see on TikTok where one lady explained to somebody say, garlic a good antibiotic. And they don't know it works, so that's why I do that. So yeah, so see butter there, guys. I melt down. Show them how I go on Marcus. Yeah, man. See that, guys? Don't know. I put in the lobster little, make it one do it thing little. Then after me make little milk powder. I don't know, say we are young people still, so then we use, you know, we don't use natural coconut milk. We just come to boom and go shop and buy two of them already. But you know, so the older folks them, they normally use the natural coconut milk. But for today, this we are going to use. So just stay tuned and watch how I go on. See lobster pasta get ready there. Well, the pasta. Yeah, man, you see that, guys? Alright. So I'll go on this, guys. How you look? How you look? Drop a comment and tell me how you think you look. How you look? And remember, you know, guys, leave a comment and tell me what you think I'm going to do with the shell. Alright? Yeah.
You guys, and this is all going on. Mother cook some barra for morning. So I'll go on there. Barracuda.
Yes, guys, so we mix out the coconut milk powder with little water. You don't know, we can't use too much water, you know, because in a soup we cook or in a curry lobster, so we can't put too much water in there. So see that, Marcus? Go on like that's what about. See that, guys? Coconut milk powder on it. Butter. That a bubble. Like more look more water still, man. Put look more water because you don't know, say the pasta will suck up some of the water, so now I don't really have no whole heap of water, but you see what I go and do, guys.
You fall in love with each other.
Yeah. See them fall in love, as Marcus say. See that? Them are blended, guys. They're making love, man. Alright. Yes, guys, so I put in the lobster now. But you know, I should have put in the lobster a little bit first before I put the water. But anyway, I see same thing. Alright, so I'll go on there, guys. You know, say lobster now take no whole heap of time to cook. You see, I don't pork or anything like that will take long enough, guys. See that? Alright, guys. What do you think about you guys? That's how I want to deal with it as well. Drop a comment and let me know how you look. But big dough, you know, but when the pasta go in there, now we see how the thing going in. Nice, nice. Yes, guys, so yeah, the end of my now, so take a closer look. That's how I go on. So I go on so far, guys. Yeah, man, that is it. See what's going on, guys. So the pot come down, you know. I want some more of this still, but as I tell you, no, I really like the whole heap. While we eat, we don't have no whole heap of vegetables. Me kind of like it still, but don't know as I say, Marcus, I really like it.
I like that.
I like it. But anyway, still, guys, it's still alright. Go on up close and so and see exactly what I'm going on. Yeah, man, leave a comment and tell me what you think about what I'm going on, guys. Yeah. And what you know that do different. What you know that do differently. Alright? So just stay tuned and make this go and cook. And then after we put in the pasta, as you can see here, pasta ready. Yeah, man. Remember, you know, guys, tell me what me I gonna do with the shell them. See that? Guys, guess what I'm to? I'm gonna spice it up a little bit, I don't know. I put like a curry in there, guys. Yeah, man. Guys, I just test out something today, you know. Like I put like a curry in there. And so I go and eat like a color, you don't know. Yeah, man, you see that? You see that? Go closer, Marcus, and so I go and look a curry in it, though. Yeah, man. You what? Color look nice, guys. What do you think? What do you think about it? Would you look at that, guys? See that? Marcus, come on, closer, Marcus, closer, closer. Pretty, pretty. Yes. See that, guys? Watch out. Would you look at that? Yeah, man. So freestyle right now, no, guys. Yeah. Alright. Well, nice. Yes, guys. So see that? And the pasta here now. And strain it. I'm showing you what I want. Come closer, Marcus. Yeah. See that, guys? See that? What do you think, guys? Look at that, man.
Yes, guys, look at that. Come on, man. Come on, guys. Look at that, guys. The lobster kind of last still, but
when we are eating, we find when we are eating, we find the
look
lobster.
at that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Lobster pops that.
And then carry out wide out.
Lobster pasta. Come on. So I'll go on there. Right.
Yes, guys. So see it here. This is end product, you know, man. I want to think about it. Boy, lobster last, you know, guys. But every bite, me go find lobster, you know. Yeah, man. Me have a search for it, guys. I want to think about it. How does it look? Alright, guys. So thanks for watching, and please remember to like, share. Oh wait, Marcus, say more tasty.
No, you are tasty.
You are tasty, and that's why you for tasty.
Oh, yeah, chef.
Marcus, to do taste test, guys.
No,
see my tasty there already.
Well, alright, guys. So I go on there. Alright, so your boss I can do taste here now.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So I go on there, guys.
Yeah, say no.
Grab some of the taste. What is this? Yeah, man. Guys, it's bad, man. Only thing, we don't have enough lobster still, but the well seasoned and well nice, guys. Boy, guys, me not tell no lie. Me have to go do this again, man. You just cry, man. Nice, me find piece of lobster while I go, guys. Guys, nice, man.
See, I ain't clear from I eat from the two of them and I said I eat from one of them.
Well, me I eat you guys.
Yeah.
Watch out. I know say one thing, so we have to tell them to say nice, but guys, trust me.
Nice,
nice, man, nice, real.
Nice,
but the only way for you guys, you know, if you forward for an adventure with me, I make you deal with the phone now, I don't know what I talk about. Later, guys, I'm going to this now. Alright. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. And please remember to like,